Think about this. What if every single person who owns Bitcoin has a profit? What would that mean? That's about to happen. If Bitcoin, take a look at this chart, the high was back here, it was around 73,794. Let's just call it 74,000. So once Bitcoin goes above that price, as soon as it goes above that price, every single person who currently owns Bitcoin has a profit or they're break even. As the price goes up, everyone has a profit. That's fascinating. That's what you call price discovery. It could just rocket. Now, I'm putting this out because I think this is very important because it looks like things are starting to move in the right direction. These are my little lines I drew. Not perfect, but you can see here it appears that Bitcoin has taken off. This is a weekly. I would prefer the daily. Let's take a look because then my average line here, this blue line, is a 200 day. But you can see, okay, not the best drawn lines, but it seems to have broken out of this downward channel to the upside. And it's been moving here for quite a bit. At the moment, it's 68,000. This blue line up here is supposed to represent, it's 74,400. But once it breaks up above the 74,000, every single person has a profit. Why is that important? Well, you've probably seen this graphic many times. I'll just put it up here. Essentially, the belief is that from past experience, once Bitcoin starts to move, people start taking profits because, again, every single person will have a profit. And some of that moves, will be a little bit of an overlap into Ethereum. Ethereum starts to move and then into some of the large caps. Now, this phase 2 and phase 3, they could kind of blend together because there's Ethereum, you've got Solana, you've got other large caps that are up there in terms of market cap. So that may blend a little bit, but typically it looks like they'll start to move and then it goes into alt season. So once this happens and it gets above 74,000, all of this could happen very quickly. So I think it's important that you keep your eye on these particular signals. Of course, I've shown many times that these other Dune says, hey, buy alts. This is saying it's Bitcoin season. It's not quite alt season yet. Just 3 days ago, I think it was maybe 22. So keep an eye on this chart. This is just the Bitcoin chart. And then, of course, keep an eye on the Bitcoin dominance, because when Bitcoin dominance starts to move down significantly, that means that some of the market cap is growing in the other coins, like the Ethereum and the large caps down to the lower ones. Hope we can all make generational wealth together with crypto. Have a great evening.